8th class student, exercise 10A, profit and loss. Question number 4. 4 is Manjeet bought a iron safe. CPO iron safe is equal to 12,160 rupees paid by its transportation is equal to 340 rupees. You can call the transportation is overhead. Total CP is equal to 12,160 plus 340. After plus is 12,500 rupees spent the iron shape. SPO iron shape is equal to 12,875 rupees. SP is greater than CP. Gain is equal to 12,875 minus 12,500. After minus is 375 rupees. Gain percent is gain into 100 upon CP. Gain is 375 into 100. CP our 12,500. 20 by 20. 3 ja. Gain percent is equal to 3%. Fourth question is complete. 5 question. Question number 5 is Robin purchased a old car. CPO old car is equal to 73,500 rupees. Repair spent repair is equal to 10,300 rupees. and spent on insurance. Is equal to 2,600 rupees. Total overhead is equal to 10,300 plus 2,600. After plus is 12,900. Total CP is equal to 73,500 plus overhead. Overhead is 12,900. After plus is 0046 and 8. Total spent on old car, repair and insurance, SP of selling price of old car is equal to 84,240 rupees. Here is SP less than CP. Loss is equal to 86,400 minus 84,240. After minus is 160 and 2,160 rupees is loss. Loss percent is equal to 2,160 into 100 upon CP. Our is 86400. 20 by 20, 10, 4 ja 10 upon 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 5 upon 2. You can write 1 whole, 2 whole, 1 upon 2. Percentage loss from this old car. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6. 6 is hurry about 6 question. By hurry. First type is rice weight is equal to 20 kg, rate is equal to 36 rupees per kg. CP of rice. First type is 36 into 20, 720 rupees. Spent for the first type. Second type is weight is equal to 25 kg. Rate is equal to 32 rupees per kg. CP of rice in second type. 32 into 25, 5 to the 50, 5 carry, 15 3 the 75 and 80 rupees. Total CP is equal to 720 plus 800 is equal to 1520 rupees is our CP. After two type mixed the after mixed weight is equal to first type is 20 kg, second type is equal to 25 kg. Total 45 kg weight. Sold SP of rate is equal to 38 rupees per kg. SP of rice is equal to 38 into 45. After multiply 38 and 45, 44 carry 190, 2 3 15, 0 1 7 1, 1710 rupees. Total rice is SP of the rice. SP is greater than CP. Gain is equal to 1710 minus 1520 is equal to 190 rupees. Gain percent is equal to 190 into 100 upon CP is 1520. 0 divided by 0 19 8 जा 2 4 2 जा 8 25 25 upon 2 12 all 1 upon 2%. Find the gain of the first and second type rice. Question number 6 is complete. Seventh question. Seventh question is coffee cost is equal to 250 rupees per kg and costing is equal to 75 rupees per kg. Mixed is equal to ratio in coffee and is equal to 5:2. Let coffee mixed is equal to 5 kg and mixed is equal to 2 kg. Cost of coffee is equal to 5 into 250 is equal to 1250 rupees. Cost of is equal to 2 into 75 is equal to 150. CP total CP will is equal to 1250 plus 150 is equal to 1400 rupees. Weight in mixed is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 kg. Why 5 kg is coffee and 2 kg is other type. Total weight will be rate of the mixed rate is 230 rupees per kg. SP of mixed is equal to into 7 is equal to 7 3 21 2 carry 1 6 it 1,600 rupees is SP of the both type copy and other type. SP greater than CP, gain is equal to 1,610 minus 1,400 is equal to 210 rupees. Gain percent is equal to will be 210 into 100 upon CP is 1400. 20 by 20, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja, 15% is 1251 400 and 021 to 15% gain. The thank you.